हम कहाँ पहुँच कहाँ गए हम लोग यार?
हम वापी पहुंचने वाले हैं।
वापी?
In
जी
I
हाँ।
think 20.
After how long are you traveling by train?
I think last
In India, I think after a long time, yeah. I do travel in London because I go to see my son in school and daughter, na? So there I have to take a train for about an hour. But here I think, yeah, after, when was the last time I traveled? I don't remember.
Any train stories that you can remember? Your maybe have your kids ever traveled by train? I'm sure not.
Here again, maybe no. But they do travel to school in train in London, yeah. But I have traveled some long journeys when I was younger, of course. I did one which was very funny because I got my first earning from one Pankaj Udas concert. I used to be an usher, and we got 50 rupees, I think, and we wanted to go and see Taj Mahal. And I remember we went there, we saved money.
Idea was it to travel, in trains for promotion?
We were talking about we had very little time to travel to cities for this film, and I didn't want to also maybe. One of the ideas for marketing was to call everyone here. It saves time. Otherwise, doing the same spiel, this film is a little different. It's not a Dilwale or a Chennai where you can just go to a mall and dance and sing, take the leading actors with you and just have a good time, like say even have Happy New Year. You could go anywhere and do a show, 6 of us. This film also cannot do all that. It has a certain dignity which you have to maintain even though it's a popular film. So I didn't know what to do. Where do I go and how do I talk to people about race? So we first thought we'll just stick around in Mumbai and meet people here. And then we had a few days left. We said, is there a way we can touch a lot of cities even if it's for 5 minutes? So Prabhat and the team came up with, so let's take a train if you want just 5 minutes. So that was nice. We have a sequence in the train also in the film, a small sequence. And he said it's just trains are very close. And at Taj Mahal they used to give this pink lassi. I don't know if you guys have been there that time. I don't know if it's still there or not. So we were so hungry, we had nothing to eat, but the lassi was this big. So we had the lassi, but I think there was a bumblebee in it. And I remember the whole way back, I was, the doors the gates, trains, those things used to open.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's in the other class. Maybe.
General company.
Yeah, it opens. And the whole way back from Agra to Delhi, I was throwing up. My friends were there, and then my second journey was I came to Mumbai with my friends. And you take berths and you book them. But I think at a certain point in time in Mumbai, the train becomes a local train. And that time you don't have the right over the berth. Then everybody has to sit, I guess. I didn't know that. So suddenly people started coming and pushing me and wanting to sit. And I was thinking it's like my seat. And then there was one lady and she made me get up. And she got very angry. I didn't understand what she was saying. She was shouting at me in Marathi. And I didn't know what to say. I said, but this is my seat. Can I sit here also, please? Because